Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome again to another episode of JVLOGS. The name is Plunkett. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome to all the new subscribers again. Now today I want to talk about technology and all of the things that has been happening over the past months, years, few days that I've seen on Facebook. So I've seen somebody post, I think she's probably a celebrity or a mid-tier celebrity, own business and stuff. I forgot her name on Facebook. She was saying that she was scammed on Facebook, received a phone call, like she saw something pop up on her computer stating that she had a virus on her computer, and they told her that she needed to call this number to take out the virus off the computer. And that's when all hell broke loose. So these person that gave her the number was hackers from India, as she stated. Told her to call the number to clean out the virus. Once she gave them her number, they hacked into the computer and all those stuff. He told her to install a third-party app on her computer, and that's how they had access to all of her file, everything from her business place, everything. Now people, let me break it down for you. This is how it works. You have a PC, you have software installed. If I'm on a PC here, I can hack into a computer anywhere as long as you're connected to internet, as long as you're on a network that is connected to the rest of the world. Have you ever been in the control panel on the desktop where you see network and settings and all that? That is what I'm talking about. Now, Windows create firewall to basically help prevent people from hacking into your computer. But your computer is like a neighborhood, right? Every house is there. You have a door, you have the front door, you have the back door, right? If somebody is robbing your house, if they choose not to go to the front door for you to see them, they'll go to the back door. No, PCs are just the same. It's a neighborhood, all connected to network around the world. So it's a big community. Everything is connected. Our tablets are connected, our phone is connected. No, if you're on the internet and you don't have antivirus or proper antivirus installed on your computer, you're prone to be hacked. Your information, when you buy things online, your credit card information is stored in the browser. Sometimes it's stored on the PC. So you have to have antivirus, malware protection installed on your PC to protect you from the hackers out there. Now let me tell you, a lot of people go on website to stream movies, and a lot of people can't afford it, so they go on website to stream movies or download software. No, these people that have website, there's not much they can do to protect the website. Most of these websites are full of viruses. You'll see things that say click here, ads that say click this, click that, and they're virus. These are what hackers do. It's the day and age of technology, and if you're not tech savvy or understand how it works, you will fall to these scams. And listen to me, some of these scams are so real. They pop up out of nowhere, they sound so real, and they convince you to give them your information. No, I'm telling you this based on the little knowledge that I have of PC. Listen, if you're on a website and you're streaming stuff, viruses are going to pop up. Do not click on these things that you don't need to click on. If you're going somewhere and see something suspicious pop up or something interesting, ask a friend about it, call somebody, text them, hey, what do you think about this? Don't just click on anything you see. If somebody is telling you, hey, call this number, you have catch a virus, question yourself, how do they know that I catch a virus? You're on a web page, right? How do they know that you catch a virus in the first place? You haven't seen the virus. You don't know if it's a Trojan. You don't know if it's a malware. You don't know what virus it is. Somebody tell you to call a number and you go ahead and call it. You cannot do that. You're giving away yourself. As long as you call that number, you're calling real people. You're calling hackers. They're going to tell you, oh, install this and we'll clean it up. I know a lot of you don't understand and you're worried and you don't want to catch the virus, but listen to me. You did not catch a virus. It's a scam. So do not call any number. Do not install any software on a computer. They'll use names like, oh, Facebook. Facebook, where we're a part, we're a company with Facebook and we got no, don't do any of that. People, listen to me. Today, in this day and age, I'll say it again, protect your computers. Get a malware protection. Malwarebytes is free. It is a free software that protects you. It's one of the best. And get a premium antivirus. I built my desktop. Let me tell you, I built my desktop and I bought an antivirus, right? I paid $20 for the year. So the entire year, that's $20 worth of protection for my PC, right? I've invested in that along with the free apps. So I get a premium antivirus, which is Bitdefender, and I have Malwarebytes on my PC, right? Even with that, I still get these pop-ups saying, hey, you catch a virus, click this. Like yesterday, it happened to me. They say, hey, you catch a virus, click this. And I was like, really? You're really trying to scam me? No, that won't work, because I know what it is. You hear the message, oh, click this, if you don't do it in such and such time, your computer will shut down or that. No, it didn't shut down, you just ignore it. Afterwards, after you don't do what you're doing on the website, scan your PC to see if you really catch a virus or not. Do not call any number, do not download anything that they tell you to download. It is a scam, people. To get your credit card information to scam you. They are doing it everywhere on the internet. There's scammers, they're out there waiting for the most vulnerable people. People that don't understand how the internet work. They don't understand how the computer work, and they get your credit card and take everything from you, rob you blind, and there's nobody to blame but you. You have to educate yourself about this. I know I'm going on and ranting, but it is important that you listen. Also, if it reached the point, listen to me carefully, if it reached the point where you gave them your information and you see things start flashing on your screen, you see all the information, credit card number, people information from your business start flashing all over the screen, do not sit there and watch it. Turn off your computer, shut it down, plug it out of the wall, power it off as fast as possible. Listen to me, this is how it works. Once you install that app on your PC, they are transferring the files to their computer. So it's like you have a rope, right? And the rope is 100 feet long, and I'm on my end of the world, and I'm taking that rope from you, so I'm pulling in that rope, right? At the end of the rope is all of your information. So the rope is your information, and I'm pulling that into my PC. How can I stop that from happening? What you can do right away is power off the PC completely. If you're on a laptop, plug out the battery, power it off, long press it, power it off completely. If you're on a desktop, click your power supply, shut down all power. Once your computer has been powered off, there's no way they can get your information, because there's no network connection, there's no signal going to a network. You have shut off the PC, right? And that is how you can stop the rest of your information that they already have from getting. So if you see things popping up on your screen, or you can't control your mouse or things like that, power off your PC instantly. If you see your computer freeze after you click on something and you can't have no control, power it off, shut it down. Literally, once they lost connection, that's it. After you reboot it, run it in safe mode and scan your PC after that. People, this is about 10-15 minutes. I just want you guys to be aware of what's going on out there. Let me know if you need antivirus or any recommendation, any information about technology or scanning or those stuff. Let me know. Just protect yourself, protect your PC, protect your information on the internet. Be wise. Don't click on things that seem so gullible and nice and sweet. Nothing is free out there. Don't click for no freeness or anything like that. You're only getting virus, and they're only robbing information and ripping off people. Alright, so thanks for watching again. I hope this was educational to you. Remember to subscribe and share. Get the antivirus up and running, and get rid of the scammers out there live. Don't click on stuff. So peace out, people. Lots of love. JVLOGS, I'm out. Thanks guys. Bye bye.